You sit down to outline a marketing strategy for your local business. You open up your AI assistant, type out a quick request, hit enter, and wait for the results. The response you get is competent, but it assumes your business is located in London and that you pay your vendors in US dollars. So you type out a manual correction. You clarify that you are based in Lagos, you operate in Naira, and you need the answers to be concise. The assistant adjusts, and for the rest of that specific session, the outputs align with your actual needs. But the next morning, when you open a chat to ask a follow-up, the system resets. It immediately starts calculating your budget in US dollars again. You find yourself repeating the same corrections you made yesterday. This frustrating cycle of endlessly re-explaining constraints is the primary reason professionals choose to walk away from AI tools. We often treat this daily reset like a software bug. In reality, it is a failure to provide the system with a permanent memory. Expecting an assistant to provide personalized business advice without giving it your background is like asking a complete stranger to manage your payroll. To fix this, you have to provide a formal, one-time introduction that defines the boundaries of your work. That introduction lives in a context profile. This is the singular foundation that provides the AI with a persistent understanding of who you are. It contains the data the system needs to be useful: your professional background, your geography, and your specific communication preferences. You can build this using a prompt called the Context Architect, which is designed to interview you and organize your thoughts for you. Using this prompt turns a complex technical setup into an onboarding conversation for a new employee. You don't need to spend an hour typing out a polished professional bio. You can simply activate the microphone feature on the platform. Talk through your business goals and your daily frustrations as if you were leaving a voice note for a colleague. As you speak, the architecture captures that raw audio, identifying the key facts within the stream of consciousness. The system automatically separates the useful constraints from the filler, mapping your spoken words into structured categories. By letting the tool handle the organization, you remove the friction of having to format the document yourself. Once the document is generated, copy the text. Navigate to the project section of the platform. Open your project and paste that text into the field for custom instructions. This locks your data into the system, creating a persistent filter that guides every interaction you have from that point forward. This personalized baseline replaces the generic advice you were receiving before. Now, when you start a task, the system calculates in Naira and applies local market logic without being asked. The interaction shifts from a repetitive struggle with a forgetful tool to a collaboration with a proactive digital partner. Spending 15 minutes to record your introduction today ensures that every response you get tomorrow is tailored specifically to you.